are a brand new piano player, this video is for you because I'm going to be practicing right along with you. I'm gonna guide you through some really important basic skills at the piano so that you can begin to play the songs you love. So don't worry, this entire video, I will be going slowly. I will be counting you in. I will be telling you exactly what notes to play, and we'll be working together. So let's get started. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is get some confidence moving around the keyboard. So we're gonna take our right hands, we're gonna use our peace fingers like this. This is finger 2, and this is finger 3. And we're gonna be playing the groups of 2 black keys. So if you look at your keyboard, you're gonna see there's a group of 3, and a group of 2, and a group of 3, and a group of 2. Find the group of 2 nearest to the middle of your piano. You're gonna play it like this, and then you're gonna play with your thumb the note just below it. So you're gonna do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna do it once more on the group of 2 above that. So there's the 3, there's the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Now, aside from sounding kind of weird, this is actually doing something because the note that falls at the base of this group of 2 is a C. And C is a really important note when you're beginning to learn the piano. And now you'll just go, oh, there's a group of 2, boom, there's C. So you're gonna get your one finger or your thumb on C. And then we're gonna play the note one step up from C. This is called D. Then we're gonna play the note one step up from D, which is E. We're gonna go up again, we're gonna play F, and then we're gonna play G. Not so bad. Your fingers may not be cooperating as a complete beginner, so don't worry if it's like, I can't play the notes and they're smushing together. This will get better. We're gonna go together really slowly, wrist up, a nice curve in your fingers, and breathe. So here we go, 1, 2, here we go. C, D, E, F, G. Now we're gonna go back down. F, E, D, C. Again, C, D. If this is crunchy for you at the beginning, please don't worry. You can always return to this video as many times as you like. I'm not expecting this to be perfect right away, and neither should you. In fact, you should probably be laughing a little bit. Again, C, D, E. Remember, shoulders relaxed, wrist up, fingers curved, and breathe. This is our last time with our right hand. And we'll play our thumb. All right, now our left hand. 5 finger on C, so there's your group of 2, there's your C. We're playing below the C we just did on our right hand. So we're gonna play 5 finger on C. We're gonna be moving up, D, E, F, G, back down, F. If you're finding this easy, you can practice looking not at your hands while you do this. Again, C. So again, if this is easy for you, close your eyes. See you can do it without glancing at your hands. And this is actually a really great exercise to do either way because it teaches you to trust the movements that you're making. And we'll play C, we'll do this one more time. So C, and then you're just up to the next finger, up to the next finger. And if you have to lift between each of them, that's fine. Just until you get the hang of it. And then the last one. Now, if you're ready, we can do this hands together. This may be impossible at the beginning. So again, return to this video if you need to. Get both hands in position. Notice how each of my fingers is placed over top of the notes they're gonna play. I take a deep breath. We're gonna be playing with our bottommost fingers first. And if this gets frustrating, just pick one hand and practice with one hand at a time until you're ready. So 1, 2, here we go. C, up a step. We're just moving up. I'm gonna stop there. All right, let's do it again. 1, 2, here we go. C, D, E, F, G. And we're gonna stop there again. This is about learning how to play hands together, getting them to cooperate. Again, C, D, E, F, G, and now we're gonna come back down. So just change directions. This is the most challenging part. So to give that some practice, we're gonna do this again. We're gonna start at the top. So we'll be playing with our thumb in our left and our 5 finger in the right. So these are the notes, and we'll be heading this way. Okay, hands ready. 1, 2, here we go. G, F, E, D, C. Again, G, F, E, D, C. One more time. G, F, E. Playing hands together is so challenging at the beginning. Now we're gonna stitch those two together. Bottom, up, and down again. So ready with C. 1, 2, here we go. C, D, E. Remember, it doesn't have to be pretty. We're gonna go up one more, and then we're gonna change direction back down to F. E, D, C. Again, C, D, E. Remember to smile. F, G, F. And again, if your hands aren't working together yet at this point, please don't worry. It'll come. Final time. Here we go. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. You did it. So shake your hands out like this. Roll your shoulders. You can even take a stretch. It feels so good. You've done amazing so far. Remember, every time you return to this video, that's gonna get easier and easier. So if you were really struggling this time, do this 5 or 6 times and you'll be like, oh, I can close my eyes now. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do, this is one of my favorite exercises for beginners because it can sound so pretty, is we're gonna go back to our right hand and we're just gonna play what our thumb is landing on, which is C, and then the note that is 5 apart. So we call this a fifth. So this is C, and in music, the alphabet goes C, D, E, F, G, and after G, we go to A, and then B, and then we're back at C. So we're playing C and G. Then I want you to move your thumb up a step, and you're gonna play D, and then you're gonna move your baby finger up a step. And then you're gonna move your thumb up a step, and your baby finger up a step. And then your thumb comes up. So you're kind of like climbing up. And I'm actually pushing my pedal down. You don't have to do this, but it adds a little bit of prettiness. I'm just lifting it each time. So say it again. C, and then you play where your 5 finger lands. Now your whole hand shifts. You could even think of it as this way. And then you could go boom. So there's 2 ways to think about it. So if you want to stay steady and just the whole party shifts up, or if you want to think about moving your thumb up and then your baby finger up, you can do it that way. And this is going to really help you to build strength and dexterity in your fingers. Let's try it with our left hands. So 5 finger on C, our thumb is going to be playing G. Then you can bump your 5 finger up and your thumb comes up a step. 5 finger comes up, thumb comes up. Or everybody can shift, whatever feels better for you. Now, if you're getting crowded by crossing your body, that's totally normal. I'll show you a fix for that in just a moment. You did it, you made it all the way up. So you can just actually scoot your bench back a little bit. I'm gonna move my bum back in the bench to give me more space, and that makes it easier. So let's do it again. 1, 2, here we go. C, G, D, A. I'm just saying the note names out for you. E, B, you don't have to memorize these yet. F, C, it's just a good practice. G, D, this is A, E, B, F, C, G. If you're ready, hands together. Otherwise, just pick one hand and stick with that. 1, 2, here we go. C, G, D, A, E, B, F, C, G, D, A, E, B, F, and then C and G. We're gonna do it again. Here we go. C. So just keep moving your hands, stay relaxed. After we finish this repetition, I'm gonna show you how you can take this little pattern and play something so pretty with it that'll make you think of a song. It's like the first step toward playing actual songs. You did it. So now what I want you to do is we're gonna do that exact same thing. But we're gonna rock back and forth. So see if this feels comfortable for you. C, G, C, G. Then I want you to take this whole party, and don't worry, we're gonna work on this together. We're gonna move it up to the note called F. So look, group of 3, F is at the bottom of the group of 3, and our 5 finger is hitting a C above. Then the whole party, we're just gonna step up. And then down. Don't worry, I'm gonna do this a bunch of times. Back to C. G, C, G, up to F, C, F, C, up to G. Now, if this is feeling challenging or crunchy for you, that's okay. Here's something else you can do instead. C, F. I'm just playing 2 notes at the same time. I'm just lifting my hand and dropping it. And you got it. So you can do that variation or this one. And in a moment, I'm gonna work in my left hand. So maybe get it ready here in C position if you feel ready for that. And we're gonna join in. So C, G. So you can even rock your body a little bit to get the bottom and top motion. And then let's move up to F. So get in position here. Group of 3, F. Group of 2, C, F, C, F, C. Everybody just goes up a step. G, D, G, D, and then whoosh. This is actually a chord progression. You are playing a chord progression, friends. Let's keep going. Here's the F. Here's the G. And then we're gonna go down to the F, and I'm gonna show it now by just playing and holding these shapes. So watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to F, 2, 3. So use the group of 3 black keys to help you target where that F is located. So it's not so like, where are my hands going? Use the group of 2. Here's C. 2, 3, 4. These bottom fingers just move up. Find the F. And then if you're in the shape, all of the notes will fall into place under your hands. And remember, it's very normal if this is your first time watching this video for this to be a little bit challenging. So remember, you can return to this. This is meant to be returned to. Repeat it daily so that you can build out your skills. And the most exciting thing is gonna be when you play through this lesson or this practice video and these things feel easy and you get bored. So if you get bored and your hands are following mine and you're playing in an in-control way and everything is going well, that means it's worked. And there you go. So that was a little beginner practice routine to help you get comfortable on the keyboard, get your fingers moving, make some pretty sounds. If you want more support, or maybe you're wondering, am I doing this correctly? I don't know. If you take advantage of the free trial for Pianote below this video, you'll be able to send us a video of you playing that we can review and give you feedback on. So definitely take advantage of that. Also, you'll get access in that trial to all of the lessons within Pianote so that you can see exactly what's possible as you learn to play. So I hope you had some fun. Comment below. Let me know how this went for you. Was it hard? Was it easy? Was it in the middle? Have fun practicing, and I'll see you around.